episode 3 now. Right? Yeah, we're on 3. 3. Engine bay is blue. See me put the wiring harness in. Engine's getting prepped to put in the engine bay. And we got some brand new parts. Can you read that? Let's check them out. Obviously, can't go wrong with some motor mount, circuit support. Circuit support mounts, real nice for the engine. And you know, if you can do engine mounts, you can do the tranny mounts too. That is real nice. So, you know what's going down. We're stabbing the engine and tranny in tonight. And then doing some of the accessories, brake booster, put the pedals back in. It's not going to be too long of a video, but it will be, I don't know, what is the word I'm looking for? It'll be very filling, for lack of a better word. But yeah, so the engine's going in, tranny, putting his clutch on. So right now we're just waiting to get the engine in. That's what we're gonna do right now. Check it out. All right, so the engine's about to go in. Again with no engine hoist. That's what? How we do it? Movement violation? MV.
Ghetto as fuck.
Ghetto, yeah. But I mean, we've done how many engines this way?
Too many.
Yeah, one too many. Let's just put it that way. But yeah. So I'm gonna stick the engine in it, and then we'll jack it up, and then I'll put the tranny in from underneath. But right now, we're gonna be sinking the engine. Look at this good-looking guy. Too bad Riley never cut your hair.
Oh, that's so bad.
Riley didn't cut my hair, but looking killer. Look at that. Ooh.
Yeah.
How cut hair?
Ano man natin for say to that?
Oh, hindi naman natin say for that.
You put him on blast. That's not my style.
All right. So put the engine in. Manpower. There's a reason why we call his ass Hercules. He's earned it. Took 2 brothers on this side and him by himself on that side. So yeah. But the engine's in. Engine's in on the circuit sport mounts. Now I'm gonna crawl underneath and change the rear main seal and get ready to bolt the flywheel so we can put the tranny on. So that's what's happening. Alright, so I'm waiting for flywheel bolts to come from the house. Apparently didn't have, or was missing one, so I have Julian bringing me one right now from my house. Justin's still over there shaking cans, because we're gonna make with a killer valve cover. Something we were doing for a while, and it's a weird way that we do it, but it's, what do you call it, effective, right? Yeah. It's effective, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Check that out. Valve cover is splatter painted. Forgot to actually film it, just got caught up in doing a damn thing. But check it out. We added clear on it, so we're just gonna let that sit there, marinate, but I think that's gonna look real good in the engine bay. Alright, so the flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate are in. Flywheel torque down to 110, and the pressure plate's torque down to 22 foot-pounds. Ready to put the tranny in, so that's what we get to doing right now. So that guy's going in there. Transmission, everything's in. I just slapped the headers and the intake manifold on real quick, and then Chevy just bolted up the brake booster. We're gonna be taking this apart, killing the emissions, and painting this, cleaning these up, and header wrapping those. The valve cover looks sick though, but yeah. Grinder motor mounts. That's where we're at right now. It's in there. A little bit more than done, but yeah, this is only what, episode 3, and it's pretty much close to running. We did a decent amount of work pretty quickly, but I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna end the video, because it's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning and I want to go home. So episode 4 will be taking care of a bunch of stuff. I don't know exactly what, but there's a lot of it. You can buy your drive shaft now. Well, you just gotta measure it or find out, but yeah, you can buy your drive shaft. I believe, where'd you look? Accessory manufacturer or Injuku? Injuku, okay. Either way, I think the Injuku gets theirs from either drive shaft shop or accessory manufacturing. I don't know. But yeah, you know the deal. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.